Today we're going to make a Christmas-themed poster, and you can see that this image has a real Christmassy feel to it. We got a shining Christmas tree and some adorable little cats, and at the top of the picture, we added the words, "Merry Christmas," to send our warm wishes. The whole scene is just so cozy. The AI tool we're using here is called Styler. You can click on the link in the video description, www.styler.ai, to start designing right away. So, how do you operate it? Just click on New Project to enter the workspace. You can see that the entire interface of Styler is very clean. Click on Import, upload photos from your computer. Here, I'll upload a red background image, perfect for Christmas. Since we're making a poster today, let's choose a 3.4 aspect ratio and then enlarge the uploaded background to fill the entire canvas. In the bottom right corner, you can let the Styler assistant generate prompt words for you. For example, in the chat box, I type, "Describe a Christmas tree." Very soon, a detailed description comes up. Here, you can click Send to Create directly, and it will be sent to the Create section. You can modify the prompt words and choose from various style options. Here, I'll just click Stylerize directly. The effect looks really good. Let's try a different style. Click Stylerize again. Sometimes the generated images are pleasantly surprising. If we like any of the images, we can click to place them in the staging area. These images look great, so I'll select a few and place them on the canvas. I only want a Christmas tree, so we can click on the layer of the image. In the top left corner of the screen, there's a tool for extracting the image. We can quickly cut out the image with the help of this tool. It doesn't matter if the materials don't match perfectly. Wait a moment. We'll use Styler's Compose tool to harmonize the overall style of the composition, eliminating any sense of disharmony. I want to add a cat to the composition, so click Create. Let's delete the current prompt words and just type whatever you want. Let's describe cat. Here, I'll choose a style that has a significant stylistic difference, relatively flat and minimalist. This little cat looks nice. We can place it on the tree. Put it on the canvas, select the extraction tool, and click on the cat. I forgot to remove the cup, so let's continue clicking on the extraction tool to remove the cup, leaving only the cat, and position it appropriately. Click Create. I also want to generate a little boy standing behind the tree wearing a Christmas hat. Enter the prompt words. A little boy wearing a Christmas hat. All right, let's choose a style with significant stylistic difference, this one. Let's see the effect. Nice. Every little boy is wearing a Christmas hat. Let's choose this one. Place him on the canvas. Click on the Select tool. We only want the little boy, so remove the background. I want the little boy to stand behind the tree, so let's adjust the layer order. I think it looks nice enough. Now let's try Styler's Compose feature. It's very useful. After clicking Compose, there's an icon that lets you directly describe the image as prompt words, which is very convenient. Let's randomly select a style and see the effect. Not bad. Both the little boy and the cat are positioned accurately in relation to the tree. The doodle style looks great, but I want to try other styles too. I'm sure you guys feel the same, right? Let's try some other effects. I think they all look good. It's really hard to decide. Here, we have the advanced option to adjust the style intensity. Let's take a look at this image. This one without the red background is also nice. I like it. Let's place our favorite images on the canvas. The poster still needs some text. We can directly add text in Styler by clicking on the text tool in the top left corner. Type Merry Christmas. You can choose the font size you want and different fonts as well. Click Compose, and there's already a prompt word. Let's click Stylerize directly and try a different style. Let's generate a few more. That way, we'll have more choices. I like all of these images, so let's place them on the canvas. Take a look at the result. The positioning of the little boy, the cat, and the tree is spot on. I also like the style, including the stylized text. The overall composition looks very harmonious. Now we got our beautiful Christmas poster. Styler is perfect for anyone with design needs. Give it a try. Feel free to like and comment. See you next time. Goodbye.